Are you feeling drained and unfocused? You're not alone. Many struggle to maintain energy and clarity in today's fast-paced world. But what if I told you there's a natural solution? Introducing Genesis Revival, your key to unlocking energy and mental clarity. Our unique formula is designed to nourish your pineal gland, helping you regain balance and vitality. Imagine waking up refreshed, your mind free from fog. With Genesis Revival, you'll experience steady energy levels to tackle your day. Say goodbye to that midday slump. This natural formula ensures clear thinking and improved focus. What makes Genesis Revival stand out? It combines rare ancient ingredients known for their health benefits. Shilajit, lion's mane, and reishi mushrooms work together to support your body's natural rhythms. Thousands have transformed their lives with Genesis Revival. Michelle shared her story of renewed clarity and energy. Robert found calm and focus after years of stress. Janet rediscovered her vitality, feeling fully alive again. Our formula targets key benefits: support for the pineal gland, sustained energy for daily tasks, and deeper mental clarity. With proven ingredients, you can trust Genesis Revival to provide the support you need. But don't wait. For a limited time, Genesis Revival is available for just $49 per bottle, a 30% discount. Plus, enjoy a 365-day money-back guarantee. Experience the changes risk-free. Take action now. Click the link below in description and pinned comment to reclaim your energy and clarity with Genesis Revival. Don't miss out on this exclusive offer. Your path to vitality starts today.